so gorgeous. Look at this. This is the 2 bedroom at the St. Andre. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. It's like perfection. It is adorable. This is the 2 bedroom delight at the St. Andre. Look at this detail. Okay, so walking through just real briefly in the kitchen, but it's got the perfect kitchen. Look at these cabinets. Look at the gas appliances. Oh gosh, this is awesome. I love the gas stove, gas appliance. But also look at the cabinets are here. This is just perfection. I love the wall of cabinets here. This is such a good idea and it looks great. And check this out. Inside of it, it's the same too. It's not like white. I love this. Wouldn't this be perfect for you for a 2 bedroom? This would be a great entertaining area. And then you've got the bedrooms over there and then over there. Just perfect. Hey, if this is calling your name, if this apartment has your name on it and you're like, wow, I really like that look, text me. My number is below. That's my personal number, by the way. It's not going to go to AI or software. Just text me on that number. And I'll respond. You can text me literally any time of the day or night. I may not respond right away if it's too late, but I'll respond shortly after. There's no easier, quicker way to get information about the St. Andre than just simply texting. You can also at any time go to my website, Uptown 101, and fill out an email about the, and just ask about this and just ask for me to reach out to you. Hey, and if you like this video, like it on YouTube. YouTube loves it, and so do we when you like our videos. So go ahead and like this video. Hey, we're going to go do a detailed walkthrough of this in a couple of videos, but another video is coming. So stay tuned for that.